Hey! KP Gaming here. In this video, I will show you how to go live in Zepeto. It doesn't matter how many followers you have, it doesn't matter what country you're from, you don't need to fill out any online forms, this method works. Let's not waste any more time. First, I will show how to go live if you're located in the United States, South Korea, or Japan. If you're from these countries, you're lucky, you just need to make sure your Zepeto application is updated in your App Store. If you made sure you have the most recent update, you should have the live button in the menu. As you can see, there's the button to start a live. If you're from USA, Korea, or Japan and don't have this button, write a comment down below, and maybe I can help you. If you're from any other countries, you will need a VPN service. I recommend using Proton VPN. But if you have a better one, you can use any that has the correct countries. To download Proton VPN, just type Proton VPN in your App Store or into your Google Play Store. This is how the application looks like that you need to download. When you first open it, choose the first option. We don't need to register and we just want the free version. Payment is not needed. What we want is the fastest free server. Click on it and it gives a random free server. You need to get one that is located in the United States or in Japan. If you got Netherlands, Romania, or Poland like me, you need to wait until the time goes down and change to a random one again. This time I got USA, so that's perfect. I just leave this application running and restart Zepeto. When you open Zepeto, you should have the Go Live button too. When you click on Go Live, you might get an error like this. To go live, you need a strong and good device and good internet connection. You also need enough storage in your phone. You can pause the video and read the requirements. If you got this error, you can also try downloading Zepeto on a different device, like your laptop or computer, and start your live there. If you want a tutorial on how to download Zepeto on laptops and computers, write a comment down below. If you followed the steps in the video and still don't have the live button, also leave a comment and we might be able to solve it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.